Are you struggling with constant coughing, mucus, or breathing issues? There's a powerful natural remedy that can help, and it starts with a simple juice. In this video, you'll discover a homemade juice recipe made from natural ingredients that can help clear mucus, detox your lungs, and improve your breathing, especially if you live in a polluted area or have a history of smoking. Let's dive in. You're watching The Best Care, natural health made simple. Make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss out on the wellness tips your body deserves. Every day, we breathe in pollutants, allergens, and irritants that can lead to mucus buildup in the lungs. Whether it's smoke, dust, air pollution, or seasonal allergies, your lungs are constantly under stress. This can lead to chest congestion, chronic cough, shortness of breath, and even weakened immunity. That's where this mucus-clearing juice comes in. Here's what you'll need for one powerful serving: 1 thumb-sized piece of fresh ginger, 2 medium carrots, 1 small red onion, 1 clove of garlic, the juice of 1 lemon, and if you like, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, and of course, 1 cup of filtered water. Just peel, chop, and blend everything until smooth. Strain if needed, and drink it once a day, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach. Let's break down why each of these ingredients works so well. So, ginger is naturally anti-inflammatory and it helps open up airways. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which supports lung tissue repair. Onion and garlic both contain compounds that break down mucus and fight infections. Lemon detoxifies the body and gives your vitamin C a boost. And honey, well, it soothes the throat and has antibacterial properties. Together, they form a powerful detox blend that helps expel mucus, clean the lungs, and support better breathing. This juice is safe for most people, but here are a few tips. Avoid it if you're allergic to any of the ingredients. If you're pregnant, nursing, or on medication, check with a doctor first. And don't overdo it. 1 serving a day is enough for most people. And remember, this is not a substitute for asthma or COPD medications. It's a supportive remedy, not a cure. Drink it first thing in the morning for best results. Within a few days, many people report less chest tightness, easier breathing, less coughing, and lighter, clearer mucus. Stick with it consistently. You may be surprised how much lighter your chest feels. Sometimes the best remedies are the simplest. With ingredients you can find in your kitchen, this juice could help cleanse your lungs and improve your daily energy and clarity. Why not give it a try for the next 5 to 7 days? Have you tried a natural remedy like this before? Let us know your experience in the comments below. Like this video, subscribe to The Best Care, and share it with someone who could benefit. And don't miss our next video, 7 foods that naturally detox your lungs, coming up next.